how to link Facebook to Instagram. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy video. Like, it's just the easiest thing to do ever. So in order to make it very easy is by going to Instagram. I think this way is way easier than doing it via Facebook. So once you're in Instagram, you want to go to your profile like I am right now, and then go to the top right corner on the 3 lines and open up the settings. Once you're here, you want to scroll a bit down till you already see Accounts Center. And right here, you can see Account Center, Add Facebook Account. So here I'm going to click on Add Facebook Account. And here it says continue or not you. Now this is the Facebook account that I want to connect. Let's say this is not you, or you simply just want to connect a different Facebook account. Click on not you, or else this is fine, and then you can just click on continue. So once you've clicked on continue, you can see all of this, you can read it, or just click on yes, finish setup. And once this loads, I think that is already it. So let's wait for that and see what happens. Yes, just like that. That is exactly what you want to do. So yeah, that is basically it. So there's one very important setting as well. So if you were to go back to Account Center, just like this, and then right here it says sharing across profiles. If you click on there and then, for example, select your Instagram post, then right over here you want to make sure that these two are enabled. You can even set up Instagram Reels if you want to. And for Facebook, you also want this to be enabled. So every time you create a story or post on Instagram, it will also be posted on Facebook, and the other way around. So that is very important. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.